Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So today I'm looking at a Keystone Raptor, and I'm not sure all the details of what we're doing to it, but I do know that we're putting in a Victron Multi-Plus, and it looks like some other fun stuff over here. I know that Zach was doing some magic because he was incorporating some of the prior electronics. So it looks like we're putting in an MPPT 100-50, and then he's got all that squared away, and he's still running his wires. And he's putting in a Multi-Plus over there. Looks like there's a transfer switch. I believe there's another inverter over there as well that he's somehow he's leaving it in place. I don't know if it's for a refrigerator or what, if he's just bypassing it. Okay, looks like we got some brand new lithium batteries, or maybe not. Maybe they're the customer, I'm not sure. Life Pros. And then he's got a battery fuse. Oh yeah, so it's got a Magnum in here, and then there's this transfer switch. So you can see sometimes when people come in here and we do work in them, the guys are having to crawl in and out of tight places and feed stuff through tight areas. I'm not sure if that's a factory or not, if we put two of those in there. So, but I'll get with Zach. We'll do some more videos and pictures on this once he gets done. I'll ask him if he can go over it with us. That way the customer knows where all the components are. So imagine, here's a step. He's crawling in there on his belly or his back or his side, battling through any stuff that's in the way, getting in here and doing all his runs and wiring and coming up through floors and inside. And I don't know what all kind of a mess he's got in here. Let's go check it out. Looks like stuff maybe came up through the kitchen galley cabinets, or maybe through the stairs. I'm not sure. So anyways, we'll stay tuned for more. And if you have a RV and you're looking to add some solar or some lithium batteries, or to add an inverter or a converter or all the other fancy stuff that they have nowadays, the guys here are all trained, authorized and certified through Victron, also through Go Power and whatnot. So stay tuned for more, and we will get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in something like this, please visit our website. It's www.calrvspecialist.com, even though you see us on YouTube as Your RV Specialist. And that way you can go check out our website. We got a bunch of different drop downs and folders that show everything that we do, different prices, different packages, all the major battery brands and so on. So, all right, thanks a lot again for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. I'll get more of an update on this one as the guys get further along. Thanks again for watching.